Good afternoon. Our forecast for the rest of the day is something of a mixture. Sunny spells for many areas, but also some heavier showers to contend with too. Still pretty breezy as well. We're still under the influence of this area of low pressure that brought some wet and windy weather through the weekend. There's a weather front tucked in there as well. That will bring some more persistent rain into the northwest of Scotland through the afternoon. Our showers tending to ease towards the southwest, some heavier ones getting into the Midlands and East Anglia in the next few hours, maybe with the odd rumble of thunder. Up to 20 degrees in the southeast, we're looking at 20 for the northeast of Scotland as well, but feeling quite cool in the northwesterly breeze for the time of year. Overnight, the front slides down into Northern Ireland, across southern Scotland, and comes to rest across northern England the first thing on Tuesday. To the north and to the south, clear skies will make for quite a cool start to Tuesday, already starting to feel a little bit like autumn's getting closer, particularly in rural Scotland though, with lows of 4 or 5. But for Tuesday, in comparison to today, a lighter breeze, a drier day, more in the way of sunshine, fewer in the way of showers. Some across southern Scotland and northern England, a few perhaps heavier ones for Northern Ireland and South Wales later in the day. Top temperatures to 16 in Aberdeen, cooler than today, up to 21 in London. We head towards the middle of the week and we cast our eyes towards the Atlantic once again. Another low rolling in, the isobars squeezing up together. The wind will start to strengthen and we'll see a weather front advancing, bringing some quite heavy rain, I think, into Northern Ireland through the second part of the day and eventually into Scotland and Northern England. But it's also switching us round to a southwesterly wind, and what that will start to do is warm things up to 22 in London, perhaps the odd spot seeing up to 23 degrees. And then we continue to feed that warmth in from the south as the week progresses. By the time we get to the start of the weekend, a long weekend for some, we are looking at perhaps temperatures up to 27 in the southeast of England. The reason being high pressure tries to build to the south of the UK and squeeze away those weather fronts. Still looks like we'll see some rain for Scotland and Northern Ireland through the rest of the week and on into the weekend, but a much drier story for the south across England and Wales, and as promised, some warmer weather to come as well, although that will just taper off slightly through the weekend.